I have no idea.
Why am I receiving hatred? Hey dollies, I'm in the car. I just finished work. I was on the way home, but long story short, I'm having the longest couple of weeks, guys. Like, just crazy stuff going on, and I'm just haven't been feeling all the way good, like mentally. Like I'm here, I'm good and everything, like I'm okay, but it's just like everything that's going on, it's just sometimes it's overwhelming, you know. It's just like it's too much, and you just feel, I just was feeling like stuck in my head and not feeling like my best self. So I'm going out with the girlfriend. She called me up. She was like, girl, turn around, like let's go out, let's like do something to lift our spirits. Excuse me, guys. As you can see, I'm still getting over my sickness, but yeah, today it was like a struggle getting through work, because all I can think about is this, you know, situation that I'm not gonna disclose, but all I could sit and think about was this situation. Work was like, it was a good distraction for the time being, but the whole day I felt like people can tell it was something wrong with me, because people kept asking me like, are you okay, are you okay? I'm just like, you know, I'm fine, like I'm good, you guys, but they can tell I'm not really good. But next topic is, yeah, finished with work. I had a great sales day, and one day I'll show you guys a little bit. I'll do like a day in my life as a luxury stylist and kind of show you guys the behind the scenes of that, because I feel like it would be really good for all the young ladies to kind of see what I'm doing, and you know, for other young people that are interested in this career path, you know, they would probably like seeing that type of vlog. But yeah, that's gonna be coming up soon, dolly, so stay tuned for that. But I'm just on the way downtown right now. My makeup's still looking good, my hair's still looking good. I'm gonna fix my hair a little bit more, like brush it. But yeah, I'm on the way there now, and I'll update you guys when I get there. Bye bye.
Tell the man not to waste your time. If the man broke, the man he a joke. So you gotta get loose with the Henny and the Coke. 3, 6, 9 girls wanna drink wine. Tell the man not to waste your time. If the man broke, the man he a joke. So you gotta get loose with the Henny and the Coke. 3, 2, 1 girls wanna have fun. If the man don't dance, he's done. Tell him move on, get the man gone. Now can I get a cook one?
Say hi, Lasty. I'm recording for YouTube.
Hi, how you doing? This is the Fats Lady. How you guys doing? Oh my god, that looks so good. What is
Hello. Show them, introduce the people who you are.
My name's Leon Celine Charles, aka Beyonce.
We out here, you guys, looking beautiful and feeling better, baby. Hi, dolls. So we made it. This is our second restaurant that we're trying to eat at. And I was trying to order like a drink. I'm 24 years old, as you guys know from my birthday vlog. I'm 24. Now I give the guy my ID and he's like, he can't take the ID just because the corner's cut. And I'm like, what? I thought he was joking because she's friends with him, right?
Yeah, I'm sad.
I thought he was joking and he's serious. He's like serious, like he's not serving me a drink, but it's okay.
It just shows the level of ego, so.
But why?
No, like I'm really sad about it. And also, one thing that I want to tell you is that it shows the person's character.
But why did he do that?
I have no idea.
Why am I receiving hatred?
Because you're pretty. They can't handle it.
No, but what does that mean? I'm pretty what? What does that have to do with getting my dream? 1, 2, 3. Cheers! Let's eat with her.
I think also, because maybe one with us to get some inside
We have
information.
hummus, tzatziki, red pepper, veggies.
Docs is getting long. Drunk testing, I should not do Patron. I hop on the phone, turn the
Yummy. Hi dollies, it's the next day. I'm now at work. I'm so sorry. Last night I forgot to end the vlog. I don't even know what happened. I was just ready to go because it was late and I had work the next morning. I was like, girl, let's eat this food. Let's dip. No, we had fun, but I just forgot to. But bye dollies. See you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hi dollies. So I just finished another work day. Ooh, okay, hold on, y'all. Hi dollies. So I just finished up with another work day. And me and my co-worker, we were just sitting there talking and we were like, it's such a beautiful day today. It's sunny and it's not too hot. It's just perfect weather. So we were like, girl, we should go to the beach after work. So I literally purchased the bikini because I don't have a bikini with me. I just have like my work clothes. I literally purchased the bikini. I'll show you guys. And we just left work. We clocked out. Now we're going to grab food. And then we're going to the water. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
He just let me know.
So,
but they show no fear. It ain't safe from here. But she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't run.
It's the next morning. I have a little pimple coming in right here. It's like a hard one that's under the skin. It's TMI. My cycle just ended, so I think that's why I'm getting a pimple. But I did not end up vlogging yesterday. With going to the beach with my friends. We had so much fun. I don't know why I didn't vlog it, but I'll insert some clips that I have on my phone, like pictures. We had so much fun. So what happened was we ended up going after work. We ended up driving, like I was showing you. We ended up driving to this really nice, like organic, healthy, small grocery store. And I ordered a tuna melt, which was really good. I had a tuna melt with provolone cheese, and it came with a side of salad. So I ordered that, and then I bought like a bottle of champagne, like a wine for us. And then I had kombucha, and we got like snacks or whatever. And then we took the most beautiful pictures, which you're going to see. I'm going to insert somewhere now. Pictures came out so beautiful. And then after taking pictures, we drove to the beach, found parking. I changed in the car into my bikini. Which was so cute, by the way. it has like seashells like all on the bralette part. You'll see it in the pictures. So, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. What else? Yeah, those are the 2 main platforms I use, and I like Twitter as well. So, yeah. But we got to the beach. We set up. We found a perfect spot. It was around 6:40 around that time, going on 7, which was perfect timing because we wanted to see the sunset. And then we sat down, we opened our champagne, we talked, laughed. Oh my God, it was so beautiful. We ended up meeting this wonderful woman and her daughter. Her daughter was like so cute, and they were like, oh, they wanted to take us pictures. Sorry about that, guys. My storage. Anyway, so I met the most beautiful 2 women, and her daughter, and oh my gosh, her daughter was so cute, and she took pictures of me and my friend, and basically me and her daughter are like best friends now. So if you don't know, I do have a 1-year-old nephew, so I'm like getting friends for him. So I said, okay, we're gonna plan a day where my nephew and her daughter can like meet each other and just play at the beach. And my nephew loves the water, so okay. So anyways, today's the next day. It's Monday morning, April the 3rd, and I had some things to do this morning, so I got that done. Had to go to Publix, pick up a couple things. And yes, I went to Starbucks. I did it. I went to Starbucks. And I got a chai tea latte. And I wanted to go in nature for a little bit and just go for a nature walk. So that's where I'm at now, and I'm about to take you guys with me. I have a journal just so I can write down some things, plan some things down, get this clutter out of my mind. And yeah, today's my day off, so just gotta recenter myself and pour some love and care into myself, which is super important. And I know you guys are probably tired of me talking, so let's get it. Hi dolls, so today is Tuesday and I'm at work on break right now. I'm actually at this coffee shop. I ordered a matcha latte with lavender honey and oat milk. And it's so good. It's so good. Let me clean my camera. And I also had some pizza from True Foods, which was also delicious. And I'm just sitting on this rocking chair. I took my shoes out because it's just how I felt. And getting my relax on. I have an hour break until I return, so yeah, it's just feels so good outside. Like this week the weather is perfect. Like Sunday I went to the beach, the weather was perfect. Today the weather is perfect. I just wish I wasn't in work. I just want to be relaxing. But just hopping in on y'all, and I'll give you an update on what I do for the rest of the day. Bye.
Glamorous, ooh.